Hi, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. You may have noticed that LinkedIn recently added the ability for us to add pronouns to our files. And after doing a quick search on LinkedIn and elsewhere, I couldn't find any video instructions, so I decided to put one together to share with you. Here we go. So what you'll do is you'll start by going into your LinkedIn profile. You can do this from desktop or from mobile, but here I am on my desktop version of my LinkedIn profile. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the pencil icon, which is the gray pencil in the white area at the top of your profile. When you click on that, you're now in a portion of your profile referred to as the top header card. You're going to notice under here there's a drop down that says pronouns. If you have not yet selected, the default will be at please select. And you notice in here that you can choose one of their options, she, her, he, him, they, them, or you can put a custom pronoun in there or custom word selection. I'm going to go ahead and check on she, her, and now it says visible to all LinkedIn members, which is what I would recommend. Then we're going to click on save. And now when you visit my profile, right next to my name field, you'll see the she, her is visible on your profile. So that's it. That's how you add pronouns to your LinkedIn profile. This is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. If you found this tip helpful, please leave a comment below, tag someone who might be interested, or share it along. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates like these. Thank you.